guys, Shannon Lauren here from Inspire.new magazine. I have something really exciting to announce. We're going to be holding a contest for the 3D April issue that I've been talking quite a bit about. The 3D April issue is gonna have a look like a proper print magazine, but it's gonna be online. And it's actually going to be free for, a good amount of time. So just to give you guys an idea of exactly what it looks like. And, we're going to try to move to print eventually, but this is definitely something that a lot of people are getting involved in. And we just thought, why not? So we're getting involved as well. We're going to be holding a contest for the Band You Should Know section. We're going to be featuring an article and an interview on a band that you should know. This is where you can come in. If you're in a band, or if your friends, family, anything are in a band that would be interested, please email us at contest@inspire.new, and we're going to be featuring an article online of the bands who have submitted. This is where your friends, family, and whoever can get involved put their votes in for what band should get the spot, because we get a lot of emails, a lot of different bands that want articles. Well, this is the perfect chance for them. This would really benefit any musician or band that wants this, because it will help them become more well-known around the world instead of just in their country or in their town. So this is definitely good for publicity. So just email us again at contest@inspire.new, and I'm really looking forward to hearing from you.